Rain, and then we'll see our own little cold front coming in early next week, and that will give us a kind of return back to winter early next week. Some chilly days ahead, but before that, warm days today and through the upcoming holiday weekend. Temperatures right now in the upper 70s to lower 80s. It's 80 degrees right now in the metro area. Dew points in the 70s. Humidity is up. It's warm. It's muggy. That will be the trend through the next several days until early next week when the cold front comes in. It is going to be a little breezy today. Winds coming mostly from the south-southeast around 10-15 miles per hour, but we could get gusts up to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. Today we trend mostly dry, temperatures reaching the lower 80s, some breaks of sunshine, scattered clouds, and there is a chance for a couple spotty showers and a rumble of thunder or two in the afternoon and early evening. Very hit or miss pop-up type. And this evening we stay warm and we stay muggy this evening. Actually, with the moisture still around, of course, tonight through tomorrow morning. We could see some fog developing late tonight, with some fog lingering overnight through early on your Friday morning, with temperatures staying in the upper 60s early Friday. Now here's that cold front I was mentioning. It is going to slowly make its way south through the weekend. It's going to take a while, and that will give us the unsettled weather that will be with us for several days heading into the weekend. So we wait for its arrival, and with that brings us a higher chance for rain and storms Friday and again on Sunday. But even today, there is a low chance for a pop-up shower or storm. Most of us not seeing much, just a bit of a breezy day with mostly cloudy skies and some peaks of sunshine. Then tomorrow morning, mostly dry. We get into the afternoon tomorrow on your Friday. Here come the scattered showers and storms during the afternoon and into the evening hours. We could see maybe some locally heavier downpours with the rain and storms on your Friday, with some dry breaks in between. But then it looks like tomorrow night, this is around 9 p.m., another batch of scattered showers and storms moves across the area. Mostly focused on the North Shore tomorrow, but still the South Shore can get in on some of that action, especially late tomorrow night. But the good news is, as we head into the overnight Saturday, mostly dry weather for Saturday's parades and festivities. Now, there is a chance for a couple spotty showers and a storm or two Saturday during the afternoon, but overall hit or miss, not much. Just keep the umbrellas, the ponchos handy for Saturday, but it's not going to be a washout Saturday. That changes Sunday as that cold front gets closer. We'll see some more rain and storms come our way as we get into late Saturday night, but especially getting into all of Sunday. So here's a look at the GFS model, one of our global models for Sunday. Looks like kind of a washout day, some times of heavy rain during the day Sunday, in the morning and into the afternoon. All of that kind of winds down by Sunday evening around 6-7 o'clock. Euro model, another global model, much of the same. Showers and storms start early in the day Sunday. They basically last through the afternoon and into the early evening hours. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon Sunday. Then we get closer to 7-8 o'clock Sunday night, and that winds down. So looking back at Friday, there is a low risk for an isolated strong to severe storm Friday afternoon through the early evening. Focused on the North Shore, highlighted here in green, it's a marginal risk, so 1 or 2 storms may give us an isolated strong wind gust, maybe even some small hail rather. In addition to the heavier downpours and the lightning with the storms tomorrow. So with the storms on Friday and the heavy rain, and then again on Sunday, our rainfall totals over those 2 days range from about 2 to 4 inches, but there could be some areas that pick up more than that. So we have to look out maybe for some isolated street flooding tomorrow for your Friday afternoon and through the early evening. We'll be watching for some street flooding on Friday and then again on Sunday with another round of heavy rain. Both days were highlighted for a marginal risk for street flooding. So here's a look at your St. Patrick's Day weekend. Saturday, not bad. Temperatures in the upper 70s, warm and muggy, spotty shower or storm, very isolated, 30% chance of rain. Sunday, though, that's going to be the wet and soggy day with more heavy rain and storms and maybe some street flooding with temperatures in the 70s. But once we get through this bumpy weekend, next week is going to be much cooler, dry, and less humid with some chilly nights and mornings and delightful afternoons only in the 60s. Alexa, thank you.